Today we mourn the loss of Father Balmax, who was not just a parish priest in the Church of St. Francis Xavier, Chikalim, but also a professor in St. Joseph Vaz College, Cortalim. ताणें आपले शिकवणी थ्रू खुबशे युवक खुबशे तरणाट्यांक शिकयले द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ प्रोटेक्टींग एनवायरमेंट. कित्याक आमकां आमचे एनवायरमेंट राखून दवरपाची गरज आसा, कित्याक आमचे वेटलँड आमचे मॅनग्रुव्ज राखून दवरपाची गरज आसा, आनी कशें आमची बायोडायवर्सिटी इफेक्ट जाता, कशें आमचे फिशींग कम्युनिटी इफेक्ट जाता इफ वी डोंट प्रोटेक्ट द mangroves and wetland. He was a guiding light in the life of youth, and many youth looked up to him as mentor, as a teacher, and as a role model towards social responsibility. तो सदांच गांवच्या लोकांक बरोबर उबो आसतालो to fight against projects that would harm the environment. With his loss, I would not hesitate in saying that Goa has lost a true son of soil who would always fight for its identity, to protect the culture, the environment. May his soul rest in peace.